Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the shelves. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that's been making waves, the Marlo Best Sellers Kit. If you're on the hunt for the best bar soap to kill germs while also pampering your skin, you're in for a treat. Let's take a closer look at what makes this kit a must-have. First up, we have the Marlo Facial Cleanser. Say goodbye to dirt and oil with this refreshing cleanser. It's designed to deeply cleanse your skin without stripping away its natural moisture, a crucial step in any skincare routine. Next in line, we have the Marlo Facial Moisturizer. Hydration is key, folks. This lightweight moisturizer replenishes your skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. Plus, it's packed with ingredients like camellia leaf extract to soothe and nourish your skin. Last but not least, let's talk about the star of the show, the Marlo Body Scrub Soap Bar. This isn't your average bar soap, folks. Infused with apricot seed powder and ground pumice, it's a powerhouse when it comes to exfoliation. Say hello to smooth, clean skin. But what sets Marlo apart from the rest? Well, for starters, their products are crafted with care right here in the USA, using globally sourced ingredients. Plus, they're cruelty-free and free from nasty stuff like SLS, SLES, parabens, and phthalate. It's skincare you can feel good about. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine or searching for the perfect gift for the men in your life, the Marlo Best Sellers Kit has you covered. Trust me, your skin will thank you. That's a wrap for today's review, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, stay fresh and fabulous. This is Product Critique, signing off. See you in the next video.